And I look at that and I always think, like, as kids, I love that, and as an adult, I'm a little more like, I don't want to get wet. Yeah. Anyway, but Josh, I know you were allured by the Keller Fountain being back open, and you wanted to take a dip, but you didn't want to ruin that suit today.
Yeah,
I know you're not supposed to either.
It's a good suit.
That too. I wanted to be a rule follower, but yeah, the sights and the sounds of the Keller Fountain just drew me in earlier this evening with a spectacular sunset and a great day to spend some time by some water as those temperatures quickly started to warm once again. And that gave us some incredible sunsets here across the region as the KOIN 6 weather alert still remains in place, not necessarily for the heat tonight, but for the thunderstorm activity after our temperatures managed to skyrocket, helping to dry out all of the brush, now kindling and fuel for potential fires as Salem managed to hit the triple-digit mark earlier today. 97 for us here in Portland, almost 105 for the Dows. Just to put it all into perspective, Portland should be hovering in towards the low 80s for the middle of July. But some active weather seen across our region in the form of lightning, anywhere from the McMinnville area earlier this evening out towards the Oregon coast, Coos Bay, and a lighthouse and lightning. Not something you typically get to see, and our KOIN 6 friend viewer Pete Littlefield sent in that video out from the south coast as the thunderstorm potential still remains for the north and eastern sections of the Beaver State, much of the eastern half of Washington as we move through the overnight hours tonight. Now, these thunderstorms have very little moisture with them, but a lot of lightning, not necessarily something we like to see as it continues to track its way from the south to the north. It's parts of Douglas County, Lane County that have seen the brunt of the lightning activity. That's why the National Weather Service is keeping that red flag warning in effect through 8 o'clock tomorrow as our skies once again start to clear. I would not be surprised if this is reissued due to breezy conditions and another round of hot, sunny, and dry weather as the knobs slowly turn back this evening as we see relative humidity values start to increase. Then we turn the knobs back up closer to the moderate to extreme conditions as the hot, dry, and summer-like heat builds out towards the east. But we'll be slightly cooler here in the western half of Oregon and Washington, all thanks to a little bit of moisture that will move through the Portland, Vancouver metro area after midnight. It's about 1, 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. You'll notice out towards the Wilsonville area and out towards Sandy, those regions could potentially see a bolt of lightning, a rumble of thunder as we work our way into Wednesday morning. But by sunrise, we really start to see those clouds peel their way out of our area and see the summer sizzle once again crank up. Lackluster in the rain department, a lot of zeros, a couple of 100ths of an inch as our air quality still remains at the good side of things, but not likely to stay there. We have the potential for some of that wildfire smoke, the brunt of it in the higher levels of the atmosphere, to push its way back into the Portland, Vancouver metro area. That would kind of turn our skies milky again. Nothing like what we saw back in 2020, but nonetheless potentially impacting our air quality. Tonight, a rumble of thunder, a bolt of lightning, and a stray raindrop or two a possibility as we fall back to about 67. Tomorrow, drier, sunnier, and temperatures approaching the 90-degree mark. Our 7-day forecast steers us clear of any KOIN 6 weather alerts, but we get back up into the mid-90s for Saturday. That just so happens to coincide with the Portland Pride festivities. The parade is on Sunday, so that's where we get a bit of a cool down with the temperatures returning to the upper 80s, and then we get back to some normalcy by the start of next week.
I think we all like that.
That we do.
Thanks, Josh.
Yeah. All right. Blazers back in action tonight, Adam? Sure were.